Do you ever wish you had a bit more visibility when driving and didn't have those annoying blind spots? Well, this little fix can make a huge difference. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. Today I'm showing you these LivTee blind spot mirrors. They're small, just 2 inches, but they really help you see those areas you usually can't. They're super easy to install. You can choose to keep them fixed or adjustable. I placed both of them on the upper part of the mirrors. And honestly, it gives me a much clearer view of what's around. Of course, it depends on your own preference and how you see through your mirrors, but installation takes just a few seconds, and they stick really well. If you want to feel a bit safer and actually see those tricky blind spots that make driving stressful sometimes, these little mirrors do exactly what you need. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.